Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how to set up a local IP address in Windows 8. Why would we do this? There may be an occasion where you have a piece of software that requires a static IP. Here's how we do it. Select the desktop. From the desktop, you want to select Windows key X. Select Control Panel. From the Control Panel, select Network and Internet. From the Network and Sharing Center, select View Network Status. Off to the left, change Adapter Settings. Now you have your internet connection or your adapter. Right mouse click on the adapter, select Properties. Scroll down in the Properties box until you see Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it, select Properties. Normally it's set up to obtain IP address automatically. We're going to have to put an IP address in here if we're going to give it a static IP address, along with some other information, which I'll show you shortly. Leave the screen up. What we want to do now is we want to select the Windows X key again, and this time we want to select we want to select Command Prompt Admin. Let's do that. That will open up a command prompt. In the command prompt, we're going to type the following: IPCONFIG. Hit your Enter key. That will give you information now about your internet setup. You'll notice that the IP4 address is this. There is a subnet mask number and a gateway. This is important information, so you want to jot that down or you want to copy it. Select Edit, select All, go back to the upper left of the command prompt, select Edit, and select Copy. Open up Notepad and paste it in. Here is your important information. Right here. Okay, let's leave that open. Let's close down the command prompt. We don't need that anymore. Now what we have to do is we have to put in this information, but we're going to change it because this is the current information. So we're going to go back over here to the Internet Protocol Properties, select Use Following IP Address. And we're going to select the following: 192, 168, 253, and instead of the 131, we're going to make it 132. Select the subnet, and it should fill it in automatically. And the gateway is that final piece of number that we had over here. There's your gateway. And let's put that number in. And that's 192, 168, 253, and in this case, it's 2. We're going to click OK. Close down the Properties box. We can close down the other window in the back, the notepad. We're not going to save that. Now we still have our network connections up in our Ethernet connector. If you right mouse click on the Ethernet connector, this will save you a reboot. Right mouse click on it. From the menu, select Disable. It is now disabled. We're no longer communicating to the outside world. But we did change the IP address. Now we want to right mouse click again and enable. This will enable it. We'll get an X telling us the cable is unplugged as it resets the software and the network card. We're now back on the network. Well, let's see if we're on the network. we're going to open up Internet Explorer and see if we're on the Internet. And there we are. That's how you set up a static IP address for an application requirement in Windows 8. That concludes this quick shot. Please visit the website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, hit the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.